felt this way before. What is it up with a boy making my heart skip a beat? Not going to lie, he is making me feel captivated.
Love by many can be considered as a mathematical query. Very complex with a lot of steps, but for sure once you get your answer, it can never be converted, as it will be the only solution to your problem. Watch as we unravel upon the journey of a young girl who loves math, eventually finds the value of love.
This is so difficult. Why can't I understand it? I know. Let me try asking for help to Jamie.
Well, yes, of course, not going to lie. It is very easy if you listen carefully.
Oh, great. Thank you for helping me out.
No problem.
And so indeed, the two began their mathematics sessions of tutoring every lunchtime. They didn't know that they would be able to create a bond that would make them little by little get to know each other, and soon enough, make them fall for one another, unexpectedly. Just them in their own little world, living our hopeless romantic hearts blushing, yet feeling single.
Hey, Jamie, did you already start with the assignment?
Not yet, sorry.
Hey, what are you sorry for?
Nothing, don't worry about it. Besides, its due date is still on Friday.
Yeah, I just reminding myself since I very forgot about something.
Shall we start?
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for helping me out.
Are you having a difficulties in finding probabilities on a particular something? May it be a tossing a coin or rolling of dice. Is that so? Then, you came to the right place, or rather, a video tutorial. Let's first define what probability is. Isa, can you tell us what probability is? Sure thing, Aya. A discrete probability distribution consists of the values of a random variables that can assume the corresponding probabilities of those values. Random variable is a function that associates a real number of each element in a sample space. Sample space is a collection of possible outcomes. To further elaborate this, we will give an example visually. Suppose 3 coins are tossed. Let x be the random variables representing the number of heads that will occur. Find the value of a random variable. Jean-Marc, can you demonstrate?
Well, yes indeed, Aiza.
So first, let's determine the given thoroughly and find out what it's looking for which in this case the number of heads and 3 coins. Now, let's assign the x or random variable with letters. H for head, T for tails. Now with this, we are now ready to solve. First, let's write the following. Coin 1, coin 2, and coin 3. As you can see, we assigned each coins with their outcomes for both the heads and tails. Now, moving on, let's find the sample space. Since again, the given is looking for heads only, let's now determine each coin with the possibility or probability of getting head in our sample space. Lastly, for the x, which equals to the number of heads. So for the sample space, we have 8, right? Now, let's only specify in the x as to how many heads are found in each probability. By that, we can already found the value of x, in which x is equals to the number of heads. Finally, we end up with this. X is equals to 0, 1, 2, and 3. That's the value of our x, or the probability of getting heads.
Wow, I never felt this way before. What is it up with a boy making my heart skip a beat? I've never seen a boy who is willing to learn and have so much determination. Not going to lie, he is making me feel captivated.
Thank you, Jomar. Now lastly, Ira, the floor is yours. Thank you, Isa. To recall, here are the steps in solving random variables and getting its probability. To sum up, probability distribution is crucial to our lives since it is found in a real-life situation like rock, paper, scissors, probability of rolling a dice, and a probability of deck of cards. Hence why it is important to learn about it. And for that, thank you for stumbling upon our video. We hope that you've learned with us, and thank you again. Bye!
That's
Baka sakali lang maisip mo ako.
Hello everyone! Hindi makapunta si teacher natin, pero nandito ang mga assignment natin. Kunin nyo na.
Oh, thank you, June. Yay! I got a perfect score. Let me see yours. Yay! You both got a perfect score. Good job, June.
Thank you. It's all because of you.
Di mo lang alam, naisip kita. Baka sakali lang maisip mo ako. Di mo lang alam, hanggang sa gabi inaasang magkita kang muli. Nagtapos ang lahat sa di inaasahang panahon. At ngayon ako'y iyong iniwan. Luha ang sugatan, di mapagkinabangan. Sana nagtanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Sana'y nagtanong ka lang kung di mo lang alam. Ako yung nasaktan. Pagkasakali lang maisip mo naman, hindi mo lang alam kay tagal na.
This little bond of theirs went on for a while, and they continued to get to know each other more and more, unconsciously letting their hearts fall for each other.
Wow, school is almost over. Gosh, we made it.
Yes, indeed. It feels like it was only yesterday.
Me too.
Oh, wait, I'll be right back. I need to pee.
Well, you see, love can be very unexpected at times to seek a mathematical equation. But with proper statistics and probability, soon enough you are sure able to get your answer and nation. For now, here ends the ever so wonderful tale and full of sweetness of a love story meant by mathematics of these two individuals.